All right, WMC, or should I say Paulie and Wade. This is our 50-50 battle for break number 14, which is one of the NBA 15 card packs. So we'll check the time, November 23rd at 6:36 p.m. I'm going to go over to what we'll call the raffle and type live. And we have November 23rd at 6:36 p.m. There is our 10 entries, which is 50-50 between Paulie and Wade. So we're just going to randomize, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Wade. Spot 8 is the winner. So Wade, you have your options since these are not coming till tomorrow. If you want me to open it at 2 tomorrow or just ship it to you sealed. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, November 23rd, 6:37 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.